Hello everyone. To visitor, it's a pleasure to have you. Let's start. First, let's remove this text. Perfect. Okay. Slowly I get used to streaming. If you have any commands, please join the live chat so you can talk to me. I'll close Twitter now and everything else. So no disturbance for us here. Okay, let's sum up what we currently have. We have a Docker setup, which the big goal is to have a running lizards and pumpkins in front of a Magento 1. Lizards should in the near future run on Redis and Solr, but for the moment it would be enough to run it. Our Magento is working, all the building is working, and our lizards is running, or at least the Nginx configuration is running. So the next to-dos on my list is to import the Magento sample theme and the lizards sample theme, so it looks the same. Which is quite easy, if you ask me. Yeah, theoretically at least. So let's get the lizards sample theme. I think there is no single repository with that. We should fix this one day. Yeah. So it's in the sample project. Yeah, perfect. Here it is. We need this. Oh, cool. There is even modman file. So we just have to clone it somewhere and then we can use it. Maybe we already clone it. Hello, Daniel. Good to have you. Yeah, sample project. Magento build. Our Magento build is here. So I guess we are already, yeah, no, sample data, sample project. Sample data. We don't have the sample project yet. Oh, okay, perfect. So let's start with a theme. We need to clone the sample project. Yeah. By the way, I want some music. I don't know whether you hear the music or not. Music is from YouTube, so I have no clue what's about copyright, but maybe someone will tell me one day. Maybe you don't even hear it, which is totally okay for me. So please turn on your own music. Yeah, we need to clone the sample project, then no, we want to go into our home directory. Then we want to clone the sample project. And then we want to go in the theme path, which is this one. No, doesn't even matter. We want to go in Magento, back var HTML. There is our Magento, and then we want to modman this. This should theoretically work. So let's let's build everything. What we are doing at the moment is we are killing all the volumes again because our building isn't able to recognize the database is already installed and stuff. So there is already there is still some things to do. So you can just recreate the boxes and don't have to build it all the time. But as so many things, I have no clue how to do it. I think I have to learn more Bash for that. But not today. Killing boxes and rebuilding them is totally fine. Takes a while, but okay. Yeah. This should be all for the Magento theme. And then we have to tell Magento that we want to use it, of course. Theme config. Yeah. Whatever the... let me check. Somewhere. Path contains design. Design package name. This is what we want. And the name is, of course, lizards and pumpkins. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, everything is fine. Core config data, then we import that. Theme config SQL, and then mage run cache clear. This should do it. Yeah, there is so much to do with Docker, and I'm sure it can help a lot if we put images up. But yeah, I have no, or at least I know Docker a little bit now, but I have no clue what Docker Hub is, for example. To answer your Twitter question, tickets can be found here. Oh no! Right, our homepage is still not up. Oh, I'm sorry for that. We'll fix that soon. Okay. Lizards is built, Magento is built. Invalid action, root, sample project, source, Magento themes, Magento sample theme. What? Add lab config. Okay, let's go into the Magento box. Okay, we put that away so I can better see the chat. Yeah, we are missing all our tools, I guess, so this will throw, yeah. Hello, Beat Gorsh. Install Git. So, installing Git, downloading the sample project. Oh, yeah, of course this doesn't work. I'm a stupid idiot. And then modman link this one. And I think we need a modman init right before. Yeah, of course. Modman command not found. What do you mean by command not found? Oh, yeah, of course. We don't have a modman because modman is only installed in our Magento build container. So let's go to bin and install wget right before. This is fun. Modman I'm just finding a modman link on the other monitor. So that one, raw file, on this one. So we got modman. Then let's execute it. And then back to work. Man init. Ah, perfect, already exists. Modman link works. Okay. No such file or directory. Theme config.sql. Oh yeah, because I don't... Oh yeah, party. Because I don't link the build directory in my PHP file, in my PHP container. Because why? Who needs Vim? Let's have some Vim. Yeah. If you know how to exit Vim, Vim is great. Config.sql, so put that there. And then run... Oh! This doesn't work. Anyone have a clue why? Yeah! Get install MariaDB -y client. Okay, chat is full of nerds. Welcome everybody, it's a pleasure to have you. Should be reinstalled. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Insert into... Insert into core config data, values, that. By the way, do you hear my music? Yes, no, maybe? Because my input and output looks like you hear my music, but I have no clue. Okay. Sorry for you, but yeah, no music means no copyright problems. Closing bracket. What? Shouldn't be a problem. Open, close, right? And here the same. Looks good. Ah! Hehe. Maybe. Only maybe. No. Looks... Ah! Copy and paste is only for pros. Don't make mistakes with it. Ah, perfect. Okay. Then... Ah, yeah, no, PHP Storm is fine, but I copied the wrong value. And right before, I need to delete everything. Delete from core config data, where path that. Oh. Okay. Okay, no error. Perfect. Now we should see, did it. Right before we should make sure, we need to install Mage Run. Let's rename that and then schmod it. Cache clear, cache clear. Okay, cache clean. And now we should go into the lizards box. No, lizards box should be fine. Delete. Demo. I still have no clue why this directory is not existing, because I create them. Here. What may be the case? My lizards. So, lizards, Docker compose. My lizards build is building in var vvv html. And that is the same as Lapsaurus. I'm a stupid idiot. Okay, that explains everything. Does it? Build HTML. No. Able to create. Okay, wait. Lizard PHP is looking in. Should look in HTML. And this should be built in HTML, and then everything is fine. Right? Right. Maybe. I have no clue. Okay. We are in the lizards machine. So here is nothing. But here is everything. Perfect. So we just create these files. Okay, and this makes sense now. Thanks everyone. You helped me a lot, because yesterday or 2 days ago when the last time I tried this, I had no clue what is wrong. And now I know. Let me change this for a minute so copying is easier. So now lizard shouldn't throw any error. No. What? Configuration is wrong. No, because the build is broken. Rebuilding doesn't help. But thanks for the idea. No, the problem is that we are building in HTML, and somewhere the Nginx config says that everything is in HTML. And it isn't in HTML, it's in LAP. So, okay. Don't mix paths everywhere. So, we are putting everything in HTML now, and here in HTML, and there in HTML, and that, and now we copy that. And create all the paths not in LAP, but in HTML. And then might work. Looks good. Only Magento takes so long to deliver a homepage. Okay, what is missing? CSS. Stars, widgets. Okay, somehow I broke Okay, let's ignore lizards for a moment. Go back to Magento. Cleaning cache again. This looks broken, doesn't it? What is the problem? What is missing? .404 style CSS is missing. In skin front-end base default, which should theoretically be design front-end lizards default. Okay, this looks good. Skin front-end lizards default basic. Okay, basic is not loaded. But why? Ah, wrong. From core config data where a path like design so let's see the theme, no, the package name lizards and pumpkins. This looks good. And the default package theme default should be default. Head theme, it's not defined. Ah, theme default is null. Shouldn't be a problem, right? Brilliant idea. Let's see what the admin is doing. And somewhere haven't saved it yet. In the Magento config, in the Magento build, build sh, we are creating an admin user with username lizards and password pumpkins. There isn't any admin user. Okay. No clue why, but okay. Yes, absolutely. If you don't know what to do, use mage run. No, design. This shouldn't be a problem. Didn't help. But why? Oh. What Magento version is this? Because we're not allowed to link the stuff. Okay. Instead of linking, we just rsync everything. Sync. HTML. This looks better, at least a bit. And now we are cleaning the cache again. Cache. Cross your fingers. Not bad. Okay. Okay, I think I have to fix the homepage. Or not. Oh yeah, homepage is broken. But this is fine. But the pages work, and I think maybe somewhere we have a link. Yeah, perfect. A link on a category, and categories are broken too. But this doesn't matter, because categories should be processed and taken care of by lizards. Sie kann warten, sie schließen. Yeah. What do we wait for? Whatever. Okay, this works. Theme config. Did we do anything else? No. For some weird reason, our user wasn't created. Are we in the Magento path? Yes, we are. And we installed Magerun, right? Yes, Magerun. We are in /bin. We're getting Magerun. We schmod it. And we rename it. Why doesn't it work? I have no clue. Okay. Doesn't matter for the moment. Sample theme. We install it. Theme config. Theme config is alright, right? Yeah. Because the links were broken. Cache clean. Now we can rebuild the container, and they should work. Words managers don't like. It should work. Do you know this joke? Tells one developer tells the other it works locally. Okay, sample theme. Now, back to lizards. Yeah, exactly. Works on my Docker setup. Fix the doc root for lizards. And what have we done? We have added Magento sample theme. Okay. Wait. Our to-do list is already a little bit sample theme. Oh no, there. Okay. Next. sample theme for lizards. What is this? What just happened? We lost something, but I have no clue what. Okay. Oh, I think I already used this. Do I? Don't I? No, I don't do it. Sample project? Or I do. I'm cloning the project in here. Sample project. Oh, then it already exists. How cool is that? Okay. Our theme is already existing. Let's check that. Just to be sure. We are in lab. And there should be a theme. Source lizards theme. Perfect. Looks good. Yeah, fuck you. Okay, then no Vim. I'm fine. Good enough for me. Then next is importing the lizards XML file into Magento. The lizards XML file into lizards from Magento. Magento is already building it, so when we are in the lizards machine, we can find not the exported file because it's not built yet. Do we build it? We don't build it. I only did it by hand last time, right? Okay. Then we are doing it again. Oh no, I did it from the back end. But this is not helpful, so Magento connector, there is a bin file to export stuff. Export products, all products. Okay, back to Magento. Shell. Oh yeah, the error comes from the lizards connector, which says after exporting the XML file, I was not able to ping the lizards API. So if we have a look here, the XML file exists and was exported, but after the so the process is Magento is exporting the XML file and then is pinging the lizards API to tell lizards, hey lizards, here is a new XML file, please import it. So yeah. Let's check why the lizards API doesn't answer properly. Oh, no, I think I know why it doesn't answer properly. Because, yeah. Because the configuration is wrong. The API is not here, but there. So the FR is missing. And when we change that, for example, in the Magento backend, it should work. Maybe. So let's see. Could not open file. Ah, yeah. Still doesn't work. Okay, lizards API. Did it. Catalog import. Okay. Version 2 expects a data version. If you want to hear more about data versions, just tell me. If not, I'm fine concentrating on other stuff. But I'm totally fine to explain you everything. So I want to build a Docker setup, but I'm streaming to tell you stuff. So please ask if you want to know more. Okay, import, product import, where is it? Current version, current block, catalog import API test. There it is. Okay, we are calling catalog import, we are running version 1, we use put. Tests are so cool if you want to know how stuff works. So HTTP headers, and the request body contains file name catalog XML, which is wrong. Our file name is that one. Bad request. Oh. What is your problem? Put, tell you what to do, where to do it. Oh, wait, maybe our Nginx config is not about the backend API, but the frontend API. No, it's not. Or yes, API, REST. It is a while since I did this stuff, so the last couple of months I spent talking to potential customers. I'm a little bit out here. Sorry for fiddling that out, but there is no alternative. Catalog import. But current version works, right? Current version. Doesn't work? Yeah, of course. This is Magento. Get conversion. Right before the stream, I closed my HTTP client, and I'm so annoyed now. Okay. Oh, damn it. I'm an idiot. Okay. So this works. So if this works, then the catalog import should work as well. So let's try that again. Catalog import, and we want to put file name, name is that one. Ah, it's not readable. Oh, yeah. So, the config. Hehehe, perfect. We are putting all our stuff in temp lab XML transfer. So, this should be here. Oh. Okay. To be honest, I have no clue how to fix the lagging. The only idea I have is to reduce the bandwidth. But to reduce the bandwidth, I have to restart the stream. So, or at least I guess I have to restart the stream. Let me check. Yeah. So, yeah. I'll reduce this for the next stream to 720p. Okay. So let's kill the Docker compose. What's the name of the Nginx? Magento Nginx. Oh, no. Docker. Rebuild the Magento Nginx container, which should help. with a new config. Import file name is not found in request body. What? It is. Don't lie to me. Oh. Does JSON allow single quotes? Thanks. JSON doesn't allow single quotes. Oh, damn it. Minus D. No such service. I need my... Are you running now or don't you? Runs. Okay. Oh, okay. Still in the window. When we look now in the file storage queue, in the event queue, no, command queue, there should be one. Oh, there are even more import catalogs. So all these catalogs should be imported now, which is totally cool. And if we are running the lizards LP. Oh. Yeah. Really? LP doesn't have a help? Oh wow. Command Q. Console command. Long prefix. No, this should work. LP minus C to clear the storage, minus P to process the queues. We don't import images for the moment, we don't want to set a data version, and we want to set one of the Magentos, doesn't matter. This one should be the same. Minus C is unknown. Oh, yeah, the command. What is your name? Import file. Is it import file? I'm sure it's not. No, no, no. Oh, it is import file. Import file. No, it's not. Just read the docs. We don't have much, but we have docs for that. Getting started. Import template, import catalog. Oh yeah, no, we need to import template first. Not set. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. The problem with lizards and pumpkins is to use lizards server side. So through Nginx, you have to set all the environment variables in your Nginx config like that. And to use lizards on the bash side, you have to set all these variables too. In an environmental, in your environment, which means that we have somewhere in our sample project an env, not here. Okay, then it's in the develop dev VM. Sample. Oh, there it is. Our env file with all the environment variables, which we need to put in the Docker, in our Docker stuff one day. But for the moment, I'm building here a lot of technical depth, in case you don't see it, but I see it. And this is bad, but better than fiddling with all the small things for the moment, if you ask me. Okay, let's get all that. Copy it here to copy it over. File storage base path. Catalog import directory. Media base path. This is where we put the images one day. Oh! We can even import the images because we are importing them. Oh no, we don't. Ha! We don't import the images because the images are theoretically, the images are imported directly from the Magento media directory, but the media directory or the whole Magento source is not mounted in our lizards instance. So we need to fix that. And we need to create this HTML share directory, by the way. So in our lab build, mkdir-p, and then let's create that. And then we have our end variable. And now we want to make sure that we mount Magento in lizards, in our lizards PHP, and in our lizards build. We want to mount Magento source in /Magento, so we can use that, and then we can have our the catalog import directory then. Oh no, the media base path can be Magento media. Let's just check. In our Magento instance, Magento source is an var www build. No, wrong. Magento PHP, Magento. It's directly here, right? Yeah, so here is a media directory. Then we can directly use... Sorry for being a little bit chaotic. So, we are mounting the Magento directory in our lizards instances in slash Magento. And then we are allowed to use the media base import path in slash Magento slash media, and the same for our environmental variable. Now remove all the wrong stuff, and this should work now. And in the end of Magento running this, we can go to www HTML shell and run an export for everything. So let's go in the Magento shell. Okay. All this away. We don't need help stats. We need blocks. We don't need queued. Okay. Now we are creating a Magento, 3 Magento XML files to import in lizards. And in lizards we have to make sure that... Oh no, we are just running with the workers. So let's kill everything and check whether this is working now. I'm really curious. So, let's give the build a few minutes and I'll get a cup of tea. Okay, back to the build. Doesn't look bad. Cup of tea. This doesn't look good. What? The Magento build doesn't have PDO MySQL installed. This is bad. There is this cool Docker install everything. Let's just use that somewhere. Sample data, Magento, here. To build Magento, I only need a database. This is quite cool. So no PHP or Nginx or something. Okay, theoretically we don't need most of the stuff. So MB string should be included, MySQL E is not needed. PDO should be included, but I don't know. Intel, yeah, let's see. The basis I'm using to build Magento is 7. Yeah, it's a PHP 7.2. Therefore, there is no mcrypt existing. Makes sense. This looks good. Oh yeah. Okay, I would say we only install what is needed. And rerun it. This looks good. Okay, perfect. Extension installed. Then we are running everything again. And if this works, we might see something in lizards. But even if we don't see anything, I think it's time for me to go to bed. So you might have seen that we installed a lot of development stuff like PHP unit and so on. This isn't needed, so we skip this the next time we are building lizards. And again, it's... oh. Yeah. Okay, this doesn't work. Why? We can't... no, lizards is built. So this should work, but it doesn't. But why? Something is broken again. I broke it! Okay, what says the browser? This is not what we want to see. Oh, wait. No, it is what we want to see. Okay. And let's see, a category. Should be still broken, right? Yeah, it's broken. But this is okay. So, Magento works, but lizards doesn't. Let's check for the current version again. It did it. Not found. Maybe I broke the Nginx config. And this doesn't matter if you ask me. And it does matter, but this shouldn't be the case because I only changed, or did I broke? No, looks good. I have no clue. Get accept. No, this is Magento. Wait. So lizards is answering with the 404. So lizards is accepting the request. This looks like lizards didn't build properly. Magento is already again. No, is it? Isn't? No, it's not. Okay, let's see. Did lizards build correctly? This is the Magento build, which is fine. Here is the lizards build, which looks good to me too. It's been created. Setting up all the stuff. Oh. No. Do you know what the problem is? The problem is that the lizards directory is wrong now. Because it's defined with lab. Hehe. This is fine. This must be HTML. Ah, damn it. Of course, lizards doesn't find anything. Okay. No, we need this. So, what do we know now? Yeah, we are rebuilding everything. Okay, lab build is done. With the Magento is still running, but theoretically this should now move temporarily. What? Oh. Lizards is still answering with 404. But why? This looks good. So let's have a look there. Everything is here. And the index files are here too. Oh, for some reason there is an error because it seemed the database wasn't rebuilt. But this is not our current problem. Our current problem is the question why this damn Nginx doesn't do what we want. Magento Nginx. Okay, where is this Nginx file? Let's see. No. Nginx. What? What do you mean by import-output error? Oh, come on. What? Permission denied. What do you mean by permission denied? I'm root. I'm allowed to do everything. Oh. Okay. Magento, Nginx, Magento, Nginx, Nginx config. So maybe because we wrote the file the moment you wanted to mount it or something? No clue. Okay, last try for the moment. I need some sleep. I don't like coffee, and since I stopped drinking milk, coffee is more or less unacceptable. Before that, I still love coffee with a lot of milk and sugar. But when you ever have seen a picture of me, sugar is not the best. Yeah, good idea, but not available at the moment. But be sure I'll stream again soon, because I want the Docker setup to finish. Okay, let's wait for the Magento build to be finished. Yes. When everything is settled, I will publish everything. I have to do 2 calls tomorrow, and then we should know where we are doing it. So if you don't have an answer by tomorrow noon, please feel free to remind me. Okay, still broken. Okay, this does work. This is good. So everything fine on that side. Homepage is broken. Category is broken. But products work. Okay. What was the plan? To add... to import stuff to lizards. So let's copy that again. Damn it. Oh, yeah, right. I need the end file in there. What? Not a valid identifier? Oh. Yeah. Now the question, what is right? With a minus. With a equal sign. Looks weird, but is right. And now we can import the catalog, which is in temp lab Magento, or isn't. Okay, then go back to Magento PHP, go to shell, PHP lizards, all products. Okay, all categories and blocks. Let's import category products. No such file direct. Oh. Oh yeah. Add all the environmental variables again. Importing. Oh wow. Did this work? Can't imagine. The answer came from Magento, right? Right, okay. This is wrong. Minus P, minus E, minus C. Okay, let's check. This looks like products. What the other? This looks like categories. So, products. Just making sure we are importing the right. This can't be right. File storage, Command Q, content. Okay, when we import this without processing, then theoretically in file storage, Command Q, there should be, event Q. Ah, perfect. So, oh yeah. Catalog was imported. But what is the rest? What is minus E? Oh. Okay, minus E isn't needed. Maybe minus E is the problem. Because he can't find the images. This is too fast. Easy as that. Okay, there is a script which allows me to start workers. So now we have 2 command and 2 event workers running. And now this should work. Oh, okay. There are no URL keys loaded yet, which makes totally sense because the import doesn't run. We have a let's have a look in the log. This looks good. Okay, makes sense. We are not supporting bundle, grouped, virtual or downloadable products yet. So all these errors are totally fine. Is invalid. No, it's not. Maybe this is the problem. I'm not allowed to use a port. So maybe we just okay. Copy path. No. So for the moment, and we are installing Vim once again. So let's just kill the check. Who needs it? And then we are running the import again. But this time we'll have tail on the system log. Lab PHP. We don't process it, but we clear everything right before. And now we have a command which tells us what the queues are doing. Or we don't. Let me look it up. There, report queue count. Queue is empty. Okay, let's try that. Doesn't work. Lizards is answering with a 404 and Magento is taking over, which doesn't help us. And I have no clue why, and I won't find the error now. So, I'm sorry for letting you go so unsatisfied, but it's time for me. Thank you everyone for listening and for good comments. Next time the stream will be with a little bit less quality. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.